Welcome. In front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you how to make your laptop faster. So the easiest way of increasing your laptop's productivity is by changing the power mode to best performance, and to do that you simply have to right click the battery icon on your status bar, go to power and sleep settings, then go to power mode and change it to best performance by expanding this list and selecting the value on it. I also recommend you not doing this for your device when it works in battery power, because it doesn't really work to its full capacity when it's on battery power, so there's no use of enabling best performance unless you really want to do something quick, because otherwise your laptop will discharge very quickly. And the next thing that you can do is check the startup applications. To do that, right click the taskbar, go to task manager, then go to startup apps tab, and here by sorting your applications by status, you can check which applications start up when your device boots up. And now if you enable some of these applications, if you have some applications that you don't necessarily need when your laptop starts up, you can you will not only increase your device's productivity when you're working on it, since there will be one less application running in the background, but you will also decrease the time of startup of your PC, since it won't need to load as much resources when it starts up. And to do that, simply right click the application that you want to disable and select disable right here, and then it will stop popping up each time you turn on your PC. Now the next thing is keeping your device up to date. To do that, go to settings, and in settings select the Windows Update section, and here you can check for updates by clicking this icon right here. And if you have any updates to install, then of course install them, keeping your hardware up to date. Keeping your software up to date makes it more in touch with your hardware, so yeah, this will also increase your device's productivity. You can also go to advanced options and select optional updates and check if you have any. Oh, this is an update preview, so I don't really need it since it won't change it. It's more like a beta testing. But if you want to download something from here, just hit the checkbox next to an update and click download and install, and wait until the update is installed. Once the updates are installed, you'll probably have to restart your computer. If you will, then you'll be notified on this page that you do have to do that. Okay, and as you can see, I got 3 new updates for my PC. So once they downloaded and installed, which they do automatically, I will be notified whether or not I'm gonna have to restart my PC. Now the next thing is keeping your browser tabs closed, because only the browser itself requires a lot of memory to be used. And right now we can check how significantly the browser affects our memory. So right now I have just a browser with one empty tab opened, but if I open another couple of them, let's see what happens. These are all empty tabs. Now what happens when I'm using this much empty tabs at once? Well, as you can see, the memory usage significantly increases. We can also see it on the graph if we go to performance section and check memory. And as you can see, well, it's kind of hard to see, but you can notice how this curve is going to the top. which means that right now the browser is using 1/3, almost half of the available RAM memory. And now all we have to do is to get rid of these empty tabs that we don't use. Just close them all. And the memory usage will drop down. Not immediately, so unfortunately I cannot show you the effect as quick as possible, but as you can see, we lost almost half a gigabyte of memory usage, or even more by now. And then this number will decrease over time. But the last thing I wanted to tell you about. Okay, so this the point was that you have to close your tabs that you don't use, but right now I wanted to also mention one more thing, which is my ASUS application, and you should have it on your computer pre-installed, so you can try to search for it in your start menu. If you do have it, open it. If you don't have it, then just search for it in your browser. Open the official support website of ASUS, close the pop-ups, and click download now. And on the following page, click download. The installation file will start downloading. When it's installed or downloaded, just click on it, and the installation process is plain and simple. You basically just have to wait until the application is installed. Then you can open it. You can also open it using F12 key on your laptop. Let me show it to you. Right here, just press F12 and the app will start running. And in this app you can go, for example, into this tab, and then go through quick diagnosis of your PC by clicking checkup and see if anything is wrong with your PC. And if there is, it's a very simple tool to fix your issues with your PC. And also in here you can check for specific updates for your laptop that you cannot reach using the Windows updater that we checked recently. Now in this tab, just check for updates by clicking this icon right here, and if this application finds any, just like in the Windows update, they will be downloaded and installed automatically on your computer. Oh, by the way, in this tab you can also run a customized diagnosis of your PC, so you can only select the elements of your hardware that you want to be checked. And basically that's it. Okay, let's take a look at the Windows update. Okay, so the updates are not installed yet, but yeah. At this point I only have to wait. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.